Are you looking for a way to reach more people with your product or service? Maybe you've got a tiny list and would like to see a fast and proven way to grow your email list with ease.
The answer might be right in front of you. Have you considered a joint venture partnership? Many successful marketers utilize joint ventures. It just makes sense once you understand the advantages of joint ventures.
We'll unpack this strategy and consider how it might move the needle for your business success right after this. Welcome back. If we're meeting for the first time or it's been a while, I'm Dana and this is my husband David. We empower second career Christian coaches and affiliate marketers with strategies that will fast track their business success. We'd appreciate if you'd subscribe and ring the bell. Be sure to give this video some love and share it with a friend or colleague.
Let's get to it and explain more about joint ventures. Simply defined, a joint venture partnership is an agreement between two businesses looking to serve the same audience. It's also an effective distribution channel for your product or service when you can tap into the audience of another respected business owner or individual.
There are many benefits of joint ventures too, right?
Yes. To begin, a few advantages of joint ventures include more qualified leads, increased profit, highly engaged audience, strong professional relationships with other influencers and leaders in your industry, better visibility, and more engagement.
Well, I think they get the idea, but stay tuned because our top 5 are still to come in just a bit. The idea of joint ventures may still be fresh and new. Understanding how joint ventures work will help you figure out the best way to implement this in your business. You can begin to visualize good potential joint venture partners as we give you a few examples.
One of our mentors, Jay Facette, founder of JVology, the perfect mix of people, fun, and profit, taught us the upstream-downstream philosophy and showed us many advantages of joint ventures. The philosophy is brilliant and really quite simple.
And to understand what this means, imagine your perfect client. Think about their needs when they first met you. Now think about their needs after working with you. In both cases, think about the mentors, leaders, teachers, coaches, or businesses that your perfect client would encounter. If you're in the middle of the stream, downstream is where your clients are headed after you transform them, and the clients that are coming to you are coming from upstream.
Let me illustrate this. Here are 2 joint venture examples. First, you're a real estate agent currently working with John and Mary. Before putting their house on the market, they worked with a local contractor to fix some stuff around the house to get it move-in ready. And after you sell the house, John and Mary are going to need to move and will hire a moving company. So in this case, the contractor would be an upstream partner who could refer clients to you, and the moving company would be a downstream partner to whom you might make referrals.
Okay, for the second, consider this joint venture example for someone in, say, cosmetic sales. You are working with Susan. Susan just came in from a wedding dress shop. Once she has her makeup all set, she'll be off to the hairdresser. So your upstream is the wedding dress shop and your downstream is the hairdresser.
So hopefully the whole joint venture strategy is now a little bit clearer. So we promised you 11 advantages of joint ventures and have only given you 6 so far. These next ones, our top 5, should really get you motivated and ready to give joint ventures a try in your business.
All right. It's a strategy we really embraced, and the benefits go beyond sales and signups.
So number 1 is you get free eyeballs on your offer. After all, you only have so many people in your own sphere of influence. You may have a couple thousand on your email list, or not, and perhaps thousands of followers on social media. You may even have a long list of friends and family ready to support your every move, but usually not. Now imagine if you had several people sharing their audience with you. That's more people, more eyeballs taking a look at what you have to offer.
And number 2 is you can build strong, lasting relationships with other marketers. Why is this important? Well, especially if they're the competition. When you are serving the same or similar audience, you already have more in common than you realize. When you are like-minded with another human being, there is a bond of familiarity. If you've been in the online marketing community for any period of time, you know we all tend to cheer each other on. When can you get past the mindset blocks and truly embrace each other's successes? Friendships are quick to form. If you have family or friends that don't understand your entrepreneurial spirit, this advantage will speak to you.
Number 3, build your team of joint venture partners. Now, what a relief you don't have to be the expert at everything. Many times we think we need to know everything before we can move forward, and then we fail to move forward. When we realize that we can become joint venture partners with people who know what we don't, we can refer our customers and clients to other experts when the time is right, and when the partnership involves a commission agreement or referral fee, you also get paid.
Oh, bonus. Number 4, and this is a good one, you will make more money with less effort. Let me say that again so it sinks in. You will make more money with less effort. Now, what if you could send out a couple emails for a joint venture partner and receive a fat $500 check or more? How many times have you simply sent out one email and received money without getting on a call, going back and forth through social media messaging, etc.? Sure, those quick payouts do happen, but it's the norm with joint venture partners.
And number 5, partnerships will help build your authority. When you tap into the audience of another leader who is already respected with their followers, you magically take on that same respect when they recommend you. When you have a good number of joint venture partners and do your part efficiently and professionally, you also develop a positive reputation with other prospective joint venture partners.
Well, I hope you are getting value and education from this video. This all sounds pretty great, and you're probably wondering, well, what are the key next steps to becoming a joint venture partner? Well, we call that being JV ready.
Well, there is a checklist of tasks you need to complete, including preparing resources, putting automations into place. In our program, Your Pathway to Profit, we teach about best practices for joint venture partnerships and how to get yourself JV ready. For best results, we dive into it a lot deeper with our private clients, giving them access to extra tools as well as our expertise. We can make sure that you are JV ready in a matter of weeks. Now, it's an upper-level strategy, so it helps to have some guidance so you don't waste a lot of your own time or other people's time.
And to see if you'd be a good candidate for either of our programs, schedule a complimentary Pathway to Profit assessment with me today. You'll find a link in the description of this video.
Well, that does it for this training. Be sure to reach out and comment if you'd like to hear more about our own JV opportunity and affiliate program.
And until next time, God's blessings to you.